Come on. Go potty, Mia. Come on. Up. Get up. Good girl.
In the group, Gene said ran my fastest mile wearing jeans, but I'm on the plane. See you boys in a couple hours. Reply to the group.
Yes.
What do you want to say to the group?
My drive has been a shit show. ETA is 1 o'clock.
It says, my drive has been a shit show. ETA is 1 o'clock. Send it. Done.
At least one of them. You want to try to fit both of them up here?
Oh yeah, they can go on top of each other, and then I got more straps.
We'll at least realize it.
And we'll hear it, yeah, we'll hear it.
It's not going anywhere, man.
You got nothing in here that's of importance? Okay.
No.
Hi, Mia. Are you happy?
I can't believe how easy this thing is to put up.
I think you set this up twice, and I've watched you set it up twice.
Okay, so this switches, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Gotcha. This is wild. Yeah. Damn.
Oh, that comes rock over here.
Shit, we got another finger bone.
I got a bunch of liquid IVs if anybody wants one now or throughout the week.
Nice.
I'm sure there's a bear or two running around here, but I'm not going to be nearly as diligent as them.
Oh, I'm not going to care at all.
Yeah, that's the last thing I remember.
Come yeah.
Fuck, won't you open? Two different ground players that do those things.
She likes them hooves.
Get you a hoof, bro. So those two like friends that joined
Yeah,
Frodo,
Merry and Pippin.
Merry and Pippin.
Is he the one that gets played by Sean Astin?
I don't know who Sean Astin is.
Oh, what the fuck else
Is that the guy from Lost?
No, I don't think so. He's in Rudy.
No, that's Samwise Gamgee.
Yeah. Okay, it's starting to come back to me. I think I remember what.
Did you read the books?
Yeah, but that was fucking years ago.
Like that was a good strategy overall. Like there was a chance there that everything was gonna go perfectly. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. And I think that if I would have like not like walked away from you and we would I kind of was on the same page. I thought, yeah, my thought was like, let's just regroup at the truck kind of thing. Like that way we're not walking together, not making a loud footprint. But I didn't realize that that buck was still up there. But if we could have just been like, hey, like you stay right there and I'll go around.
There's another one.
Where?
See it right there?
A bug?
I think so.
Oh yeah, I see it. No, it's well.
One doe, two does.
Okay, I see the two does.
Seems like they're kind of everywhere today, and if they are, I want to get to that other spot. That way we're not like, oh, there's a buck up there.
Good.
This is the closest thing I can get to a stout. Dad beer cream ale. It's okay. I I can't, like, now that I'm sitting here, I can't actually think exactly how it's done, but like, we'll figure it out. It'll be fine.
It's
I mean, I know the ingredients
eggs,
I have.
tortilla chips, and like it's like some type of like tomato sauce. There's like a tomato.
It is. I just never like thought about like logistically how you would make the chilaquiles. So do meat in the pot, veggies, then chips, cheese over that, put the refried beans on, put the meat on top of that, I guess. This is gonna be, I'll figure it out. It won't be bad, it just might not be like a, you know what, I'm just not gonna call it chilaquiles. It's gonna be camp nachos. You're a good girl, Mia. Little taste test in the chips. You're starting off small, huh?
Fucking made my own fucking fire, but whatever.
Mia's really doing a good job.
Yeah.
Never seen refried beans out of a bag before, but I like it. I like it a lot. All right, MTV Cribs, Deer Camp Edition. 3 guys, 4-person tent. Mia's bed's not in here, but she gets to sleep right there. Brian's over there. Then that's me, and Shang's over here living in the lap of luxury. Look, there's a whole spot underneath his fucking bed because that's where he sleeps on a cot.
It's okay, that'll be mine. That chorizo has to be cooked, dude. I fucking cooked the shit out of it.
No, it looks cooked.
Yeah.
A little bit of that yolk, a little bit of them beans, a little chorizo. That'll do. Mm-hmm. So it's the 3rd full day out here in Arizona, late January, and dropped Brian off at a pond. He's gonna sit that for the morning, see if a deer comes by, and then Gene just took off on the ridge from camp. I've got Mia with me in the back, so it's easy for me just to take off in the truck, let her sleep in a little bit, lay in the bed, and then I can drive up on these ridges and then just glass over the tops. This trip is something that we try to do annually. We miss it every now and then, but we've been pretty consistent, and it's kind of a hunting trip, but for me it's more of like an overland / camping trip, kind of like a good close out of the old year, start to the new year, just reset, especially this year. Just had a lot going on. Last year was busy. I haven't really even started hunting yet. We're 3 days in. I'm just enjoying time at camp with good friends and good food and my dog, and it's beautiful out here. I mean, the sun's coming up behind me right now, and well, I guess The sun's coming up behind you watching this, illuminating all that behind me. And I just think it's beautiful out here. The weather's good, the country's wide open, there's animals everywhere. We've been seeing all kinds of animals, coyotes, deer, bobcat, ducks, quail, dove. It's just beautiful out here. So I'll drive around for the rest of the morning, drink my overnight oats for breakfast, go pick up the boys in a couple hours, and see how everyone's doing. All right, we'll catch you back later. All right.
Gene first.
Do Gene first. So Arizona, the annual Arizona Deer Camp 2024 is coming to an end. New spot this year, learned new things, saw some cool stuff. My favorite camping spot yet, my favorite year yet. Let's see what the boys think. Gene, this is your third or fourth time doing this with me. What are your final thoughts this year?
We learn more every year, and I'm really excited to fill these tags in December.
Yeah, what do you think about the new spot that we found?
I like this spot a lot more. It is a little unnerving having the border right there. Gunshots every night. Border Patrol helicopters hovering over us, and guys taking off on horseback. A little bit sketchy, but I think we pulled through.
Yeah. What was your favorite meal?
The ribeyes are damn fine. Any hot meal on a camping trip is just fine by me.
All right. Brian, your first time coming out here with us. What are your thoughts? All of it, Arizona, Coos Deer, camp, everything.
Man, this has got to be some of the prettiest country I've ever been a part of. This is amazing. Good desert country. You've seen a lot of deer. Great campsite, great food. Man, this is badass.
What was your favorite meal?
I think I gotta go with the ribeyes.
Yeah, the ribeyes.
I just have to go. That's just, I mean, how often do you eat ribeyes in deer camp, man? That's legit.